Oh, that's correct. You won. It
Maybe
makes you.
because of you, I think.
सबसे वो आपकी आंखें हैं. Can I have your phone number?
Shreya.
Very beautiful name you have.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Hi girls. Hi. Excuse me. Hi. Hi. You both look very pretty today, and pink really suits you.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Yeah. So we are playing this game in which I'll give you this Madeva Home tumbler for free of cost if you'll answer 3 simple questions. So are you up for it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we say hi to the camera first? Okay. So what's your name?
Niharika.
Niharika. Very beautiful name. And what's your name?
Nandita.
Nandita. So should we start? Okay. So the first question will be, what's the name of President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
That's correct. That's correct. आप जीत सकते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया. The second question will be, what's the name of Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
That's correct again. Shit. मेरे को लग रहा है I'm going to lose this one. Okay. The third question will be, and it will be very difficult. What's the name of Education Minister of India? Come on, it's easy.
तो मोटी
सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है.
You can guess.
Education
Yeah.
Minister.
Yeah, it's easy. बहुत easy है.
A few moments later.
I know the name of the ex-education minister, but not
नहीं
the
पर हमें
current.
current one चाहिए. Sorry. You can win. Come on. चलो I'll give you another chance. ठीक है. तो देखो ऐसा कहा जाता है कि ब्लैक होल में सेकंड मोस्ट पावरफुल ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है. आप बताएं फर्स्ट क्या है? मेरे हिसाब से वो आपकी आंखें हैं.
प्यारी समझ गई.
तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, क्या मैं इस बात से आपका इंस्टाग्राम आईडी या फ़ोन नंबर जीत चुका हूँ?
Instagram ID.
Instagram ID is fine. Hi. Oh my God, you both look very pretty today. White suits you. Okay. So we are giving this tumbler for free of cost if you'll answer 3 simple questions. So are you guys up for it?
Yes.
Okay. So can we say hi to the camera first?
Hi.
Okay. So what's your name?
Dashmeet.
Rashmi. And what's your name?
clean.
So clean. So you both are Sardarnis.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I am standing in between two Sardarnis, bro. Okay. So the first question will be, what's the name of President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
That's correct. Congratulations. And the second question will be, who's known as Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Oh my God, that's correct. You're very smart. You're very smart. Okay. The last question will be, what's the name of Vice President of India?
What?
Vice President of India.
Okay, Vice President. I lost.
You can win. Come on, guess तो करो कुछ तो. Okay, I'll give you guys another chance. If you guys will go on a date with me, then I can just give you this tumbler for free. Shit. बेइज्जती हो गई यार. But you can still have my number on my Instagram. Are you up for it? यार थोड़ा तो हाँ कर दे. Hi, so we are giving this Madeva Home tumbler 750 ml stainless steel for free of cost if you'll answer 3 simple questions. So are you up for it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your name?
Shivani.
Okay, Shwani, you look very beautiful. You have very red cheeks and that looks so amazing. And
Thank
you have
you.
dimples also.
That's because of the heat.
Okay, so heat
Maybe
makes
because
you.
of you, I think.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
So heat is making you more beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so should we start with the game?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first question will be, what's the name of Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi ji.
That's correct. Okay, the second question will be, what's the name of President of India?
Murmuru. Mrs. Murmuru.
Okay, cool. आपको first name नहीं पता है, but I'm still giving you that. It's okay. And the third question will be, first tell me one thing. If you'll not be able to answer, will you go out on a date with me?
Maybe, I'll think.
Okay, I'll just share my number with you, then we can just figure it out.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है.
Okay, the third question will be, what's the name of Education Minister of India?
Oh, that's out of my league actually. But you can give me 3 options and I can pick one.
Sorry, हम वो KBC नहीं खेल रहे.
तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
अगर हम KBC खेल रहे होते, अमिताभ बच्चन होता, तो मैं आपको टम्बलर ही दे देता.
Oh God, okay.
Yeah, so okay,
No.
still you can have my number if you want to. So are you up for it?
Now I do not need to think about it because you didn't give me options.
Shit, I'm so sorry.
हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा है कि कोई भी आके बजा जाता है.
But you can still order from madevahome.com if you like this tumbler. And we have huge variety of other products also, home and living items. So you can ask them also to order from Madeva Home.
Please order from Madhiba Homes
Thank you
because
so
I
much.
can see it's a very very good tumbler. I can see that.
Hi, excuse me. Hi girls. Hi. So you both look very pretty today. So basically, we are playing this game in which we'll give you this Madiva Home tumbler, 750 ml stainless steel for free of cost if you'll answer 3 simple questions. So are you up for it? First, can I sit? Thank you so much. Guys, मेरे को जगह मिल गई है. Okay. So what's your name?
Khushbu.
Khushbu. And what's your name?
Komal.
Komal. So okay, should we start the game? Okay. So the first question will be, what's the name of President of India?
President of India.
Yes. Okay, I'll give you that because you are so pretty. Cool.
कोई शक
And the second question will be, what's the name of Prime Minister of India? That's correct again. So you just have to answer one more question and then you will win this tumbler. I'll give you a choice, black or white. Hello. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. So we are playing a game जिसमें अगर आप मेरे को 3 simple questions का आंसर देते हो तो आपको मदिवा होम के 750 ml stainless steel tumblers फ्री में दे देंगे. So are you guys up for it? Okay. So what's your name?
Prakhar.
Prakhar. What's your name?
Nishtha.
Nishtha. And what's
Harshita.
Arshita. Very beautiful name you have. Okay. So should we start the game? Okay. So the first question will be, oh, can we say hi to the camera first? Wait, इनको जान दो. Up, can we say hi to the camera first? Okay. So the first question will be, what's the name of President of India? That's correct. Okay. And what's the name of Vice President of India?
बताओ पढ़ती हो इतना.
A few moments later.
I think it's Jagdeep. Sorry.
That's fine. You can still win. Okay. So the next question is, if I have one kid and you have one kid, how many kids are in total?
If you have one,
I have one kid and you have one kid. Yeah.
Acha.
How many will be in total? Sorry, what?
2.
It can be one.
प्यारी समझ गई.
Hi guys, hi. Hello. So we are giving this 1050 stainless steel tumbler from madivahome.com for free of cost if you'll answer 3 simple questions. So are you guys up for it?
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
Okay. Can we say hi to the camera first? Okay. So what's your name?
Jayashri.
Jayashri. Your name?
Tanushri.
Tanushri. And your name?
Shreya.
Very beautiful name you have.
Thank you.
लगता है मुझे इश्क हो गया.
Okay. So the first question will be, what's the name of President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Okay. And the second question will be, what's the name of Education Minister of India?
Dharmendra Pradhan.
Okay, that's correct. And अब आप पे सारा प्रेशर आ चुका है. आप पे सारा प्रेशर है. देखो आपको अब बताना पड़ेगा. What's the name of? First tell me one thing. मेरे को देख के आपको क्या लगता है कि मेरे आपके साथ डेट पाने के कितने % चांसेस हैं?
I'll have to think about it.
See, I am being very honest. You have beautiful hair, beautiful. Actually, everything is about you. Okay.
Sorry.
मैं nervous हो गया. But everything about you is very pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, so the third question will be, what's the name of Vice President of India?
Jagdeep Dhankar.
Oh, that's correct. You won. Congratulations. Okay, but आप जीत तो गए हो पर आपने मुझे अब तक आंसर नहीं दिया.
Like
What
I
do you
said,
guys-
I'll have to think about it.
Okay, so can I get your Instagram or your number?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I'll give you my phone. अभी वीडियो बन रही है उससे.
Order from madivahome.com.
Thank you so much, guys.